Check how to automatize VTOLs and drones operations using VertiMonitor. Either ping our API or open the GUI and access your dashboard to plan your flights. Today we will fly in Italy, planning a straight flight at constant altitude above ground level between Milan and Cortina d'Ampezzo on the Alps. We select a passenger multicopter, which is typically a two-seater aircraft, and set the departure date. VertiMonitor determines a go with a high degree of confidence. Now let's move to the south and schedule a flight between Marsala, the Egadi Islands, Trapani, and back. The flight altitude is adjusted to 200 meters in cruise. The recreational drone is a no-go. The passenger multicopter, which was granted flight permission between Milano and Cortina d'Ampezzo, results here in a no-go. The cause are moderate precipitations and winds forming between Tunis and Sicily at the time of the flight. Finally, out of curiosity, we checked the outcome for a traditional helicopter, which would instead be recommended to fly due to the higher weather tolerances.